Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a renegade row, and that video is coming up right now. The renegade row is a great core, anti-rotational and back exercise. You're basically going to get yourself into a plank and then you're going to row a weight whilst you're in that plank position. Well, that's going to be a full plank, not an elbow plank. So your hands are going to be out at full grip. Let me show you how it looks. So let me get into position so you can see me. We're going to get our weight. I've got a dumbbell here. I'm going to get into a nice full plank position like so. Now you'll remember from my plank video, if you haven't watched that yet, go and watch it. You'll remember from that when we're in a plank, we need to squeeze our glutes as tightly as we can and squeeze our abs as much as is possible. So we're going to be in this position here, and we're looking for a nice straight line between the shoulders, the hips and the ankles. Then from there, we're going to grab our weight and we're going to row it. Now in order to do this, you might have to get your feet, normally in a plank, or be quite level. You might need to get your feet wider into a more triangulated position, because we've got to fight that anti-rotational movement. Whereas if you do it with a narrow base, if you're going to do this exercise with a narrow base like so, as you pull up, you're going to rotate a lot. And that's what we're trying to avoid. So, get your feet wider, I'd say well outside the line of the hips, just for that balance. And then you want to line up the weight underneath your shoulder. A lot of people who do this will have it a long way out in front of them. We don't want that, we want it right underneath our body, almost in line with our nipple, because we're coming up at this angle, past the lower rib, past your obliques just here, and that's where we want to do the pull from. So we're here, just going to get into position, here like so, and then we're going to come up and down. And that is a renegade row. You'll notice I'm trying to pull my elbow here. I'm trying to pull it down like so. I'm not trying to let it rotate in like that. I'm trying to keep my shoulder right back, right down, and I'm trying to keep the angle like so, without my shoulder rotating in. I'm trying to keep that scapula right back and down in my body. Let me show you what it looks like from the front angle, just so you can see that nice and clearly. Now when I'm doing this, I'm squeezing an awful lot through here, and I'm putting an awful lot of pressure through this arm, the standing shoulder. It's really important you get a nice wide hand as you do that, just to balance the weight through it, because it can feel quite uncomfortable to begin with when you start doing it. But that's the renegade row. Have fun, start with a slightly lighter weight, then build up. Put it on your pull day, and it's a very useful exercise to do. Right, that's it from me. Peace, love and protein, high fives and positive vibes.